Hey guys, hello and welcome to Apna Course channel. In this video, we will discuss about the parts of speech. It is an important part of grammar. And in this video, we will specially discuss noun. Many students make mistake in speaking as well as in writing to identify noun. For this purpose, we prepare this video for you guys. Without wasting the time, let's jump into this unique workshop. So, what is the noun? The name of person, the city name, place name, then a thing, and animal. So let us discuss one by one with the example. First of all, we take city name. For example, Hyderabad, Dubai, Karnataka, Jaipur. It's called a noun. Place name means temple, library, palace, college, university. It can be anything. A thing can be chocolate, pencil, pen, eraser, laptop, anything. An animal means dog, cow, zebra, elephant. It can be anything from this. A noun basically the name of person, the name of city, any place name, a thing, an animal, something which we can feel, which we can touch. It's called a noun. So we can also discuss the types of noun. There are many types of noun, but we discuss some important nouns over here. First of all, the common noun. Second one is proper noun. Third one is countable noun. Fourth one is non-countable noun. And fifth one is compound noun. So, what is the proper noun? A proper noun which refers only to single person, place or thing. It is specified a name. It means your name is Hamil. So Hamil is a proper noun. Let's discuss one example. Your name Fanil. It means Fanil is here proper noun. The Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, Udaipur. The name it is a specified. And also discuss the common noun. A common noun it is referred to many things, persons and anything can be. For example, a boy, a girl, a city, a state, a temple and so on. It is not specified for someone or for something, but it is a common noun. Let us discuss countable noun. A countable and uncountable noun. Countable noun means a noun which we can count. For example, book, one book, two book, three book, chair, one chair, two chair, bicycle, fruits, vegetable and anything. Uncountable noun means a noun which we cannot count. It is a higher quantity. Example, water, coffee, tea and so on. We cannot count a one water, two water. We can't count one tea, two tea. We can see 2 cup of tea, 1 cup of tea, 1 cup of coffee, but we can't. It is a countable noun. But we can discuss about water, coffee, tea. It means uncountable noun. Whenever we make a sentence for the countable noun, that's why we use how many. And if we use uncountable noun, then we will have to use how much over there. Let us discuss the last one, and the last one is the compound noun. A compound noun it is the combination of two or three nouns together. We also discuss some example for this. First of all, father-in-law, sister-in-law, mother-in-law, wristwatch, then 6-year-old. It is the combination of two or three nouns together. Wrist, watch. 6 it is a noun. Year it is a noun. Old it is also noun. Mother it is a noun. In it is a noun. It is a preposition. And law it is also noun. It means this all the compound noun because it consists two or three nouns together. Thank you for your valuable time to spending with us. hit the like button and subscribe us. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.